Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us solve this interesting question. And it reads that four squares are joined together to form one large square. If the perimeter of the original squares are 8x units, what is the perimeter of the new larger one? Alright, so if you are new to this class, please kindly subscribe, like and share so that this video will reach a wider audience. Thank you. Alright, let's get started. Now first of all, let us depict a pictorial illustration of what the question is saying. Now take note, 4 squares, okay, are joined together to form one large square. So let me just draw that quickly. So here are the 4 squares. Now let's bring this over here, bring this over here, bring this over here. So there you have it. 4 squares are joined together to form one large one. Okay, so and here you have it. So if the perimeter of the original square are 8x unit, so which means that the perimeter of this is 8x, this is 8x, this is 8x, and this is also 8x. And we know that for us to find each of the sides of this square, let's see this side, okay, all we just need to do is divide the perimeter, okay, by 4, okay, because for each of the square has 4 sides, is to divide 8x, okay, by 4. Now this gives us 2x, so which means each of the sizes of each of these squares is 2x, which implies that here is 2x, 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 here is 2x. The same thing here, 2x here, 2x here, 2x here, 2x here, 2x here, 2x here, 2x, same true. And why am I doing this? Is to show clarity. Okay, all right. Now what is now the perimeter of the larger square? We now know that the larger square takes up this, 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 and this. Okay, so all we just need to do is to add up this, 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 this and this, which makes up the length of the outer boundary. So all we just need to do, if this, the sum of this is equals to 4x, and we know how many sizes do we have? We have 4. So here we are that 4 times 4x, this will give us what? 16x unit, okay, for the perimeter of the new larger square. Please don't fail to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.